So in this video we will see iteration in 2D list. Means iteration means we go through each element in list, or we can traverse through each list. Like you are sitting in a classroom and you will go to each student one by one. You will go to first bench and say something to student, and then going to second bench, then going to third bench, and then going to fourth bench. This is called iteration. So similarly we can iterate through list by going through first element, then performing some kind of operation, then going to second element, then performing some kind of operation. We will go through each element in list. It's called iteration on list. So like this is 1, 2, and 3. As you know the for loop, like for I in S. So it is actually called iteration through S. So iterating it is called iteration through S or iterating S. So it is iterating S. I will go go to first I will go to its first element 1, then go to second element, then go to third element. So in this case, S will be called iterable. So because it is being iterated, and I is called iterator because its value is 1. Now after performing some kind of value, its value will be second. Then its value is third. Its value will be third. So S is iterable and I is iterator, and iterable performing iterable it's called performing iteration, or going through each element on iterable it's called iteration, and performing this operation is called iteration. So I think you understood what is iterable, iteration, and iterator. So I is iterator, S is iterable. Iterable means list is iterable, string is iterable, dictionary is iterable, tuple is iterable, set is iterable, many things is iterable. So just print I. So what it is doing internally, I first go through 1, then I will go through 2, then I will go through 3. So first I will go to 1, now performing print operation, then printing 1, then and at the when end of this loop, then I again initialize a 2, then performing printing 2, then I initialize a 3, then performing 3. So this is called iteration. So how to iterate through 2D list? So S is 2D list like this. Some random element I am putting it here, 433, comma 5 4 5 4 9, and comma, and 7 3, and 2, comma 5 4 1 5 4 and 1. So this is 2D list. So this is 2D list. So now if I iterate through this, so for I in S, print I. So what it will print? So it will print list. It has first it printed 463, then it printed 549, then it printed 732. Now if I want to print all these elements, then at this stage, as you can see, for I in S, so here I will be a list. As you know, here I first I will be that, then I will do that. Then as we can iterate through this I, So for j in I, now print j. So it will print all the element 4 6 3 5 4 1. So this is how we can iterate through a 2D list. So can we perform sort operation on 2D list? Yeah, we can perform sort operation. Sorted, sorted, and then just pass 2D list what was the as its 2D list. So it now sorted. So how it is sorted actually? My my sorted string like this. It is sorting by zeros index or first element of this list. You can see 4, 5, 5. This 5 was at last, but in this it is at this. You can see here. I am removing this. So I am removing this. So it was at last, but now it was at second. Now it was at second. Now it was at third and 732. So it basically focusing on first element, like you can see 4 5 5 and 7. If it is same, then it will go through second element. If fourth second element is same, then it will go through first element. So it is actually sorting by first element. uh, it is weighted by first element, and then second, then third. If there is some uh, same element occurring, then it will check second. So what if I want to sort it by second element? So sorted function support a key argument, argument, and key argument support a function. It takes function. So I am doing this by using this. First, I am creating a function. It will take an argument x. Then it will return what it will return 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 x of first, means second element, the first index. It will return first index. Like it will, if it I pass this list in this function, so it will return 6. If I pass this list in this function, then it will return 4. So actually sorted, what did it support? A sorted argument, key argument sorted. I want to sort this list, and it support a key function, key argument which support, which take function, Python function as argument, as parameter. So now I am passing fn. So what it will did, it will, as we can see, function is returning first index. So now it will sort the list using first index, because as you can see, fn is first element, first element returning first element of second element of list. So it will return using second element. So now you can check this. Now it is taking second element. So what is lowest second element where? So in 3 it is lowest, so it is first. Now it is 4 lowest, then 4. Which 4? Because it is now taking this, because our function is not so complex that it will check second element if we counter same index. So it is just taking first occurrence, because it is first occurrence is what will be the first occurrence. Actually the first occurrence will be what will be, so first occurrence will be 549, so that is why it is returning 549 at first index, not 541, because it is not checking the second element if it counters same element. So that's why here it is returning 549 at first and 541 at second. So that's how we sort the index. We did do indexing on 2D and do iteration on 2D list. So this, I think this is enough for this video. You can understand function here by this function that it is returning. So we this convention what actually did, it apply this key function on all the element, and then whatever it get, whatever it will get, so it will perform sorting using this is the return. So for if it get 6, so it first it will get 463, it will return 6. Then 541, that it will return 4. 549, then it will return 4. Then 732, then it will return 3. So it will take 3 at first, and then so on, 3 at first, then 4 at first, then 5 at first, and so on. You can understand it by practicing. So do practice some kind of problem, then it will helpful to you. So I think this is enough for this video. We will see you in next one.